Hello there, and welcome to the self-study assignment for Module 7. So what we have here are two assignments, self-study 7.1 and 7.2. The first one is compare and contrast FSM, state charts, and Petri nets. Well, aim is to let you explore these three. And 7.2 is choose a system or a product of day-to-day use, model the system using FSM, and derive the test cases based on the model. Now, you may want to even choose any other model if you have the confidence and have learned from 7.1, and you can use any other model to get the 7.2 done. So let's look at 7.1 in a little more deeper way. 7.1 self-study here, compare and contrast FSM, state charts, and Petri nets. So here, intent is for you to take up some of the research of literature. The simplest form of research of literature is going to be one that is given in the textbook as well as in the further reading. The other would be to look at some of the tools, methods, and commercially available tools which are available, which make use of FSM, state chart, and Petri nets. And then compare and contrast these techniques. What would be the usefulness of these techniques? As we build the executable models, you would have seen when we showed the page on the document camera, the page number 226 from our textbook 1, you would have seen the comparative. Now you may want to challenge the comparative and say it could be better or different. Thus, in this self-study, you would have understood FSM, state charts, and Petri nets a little better. Let's look at the next one, is modeling a system or product of day-to-day use. So model a system as FSM, that's what we expect. However, you could model a system with your technique as well. An ultimate aim is to derive the test cases. You could use any system like a traffic light control system, a lift, or maybe anything that comes to your mind for us to model such a system. Maybe the garage door, maybe the building lighting control systems. If you have a level controller at home for the sump and the tank, over a tank, you may want to model that system. The key is to begin with a model, to look at a fault model, and derive test cases based on the model that we come up with. Remember, if it's FSM, it's going to be states, transitions, and paths. With this, you would have actually firmed up the learnings in Module 7. Thank you.